Good morning guys and welcome to a very impromptu vlog. Hey guys, so I'm about to do my workout, my first one of this kind of like 100 days challenge I'm doing, and also for this video, Get Healthy With Me, I'm gonna try and do a workout either every morning or every evening, but I do my mobility in the morning. So me and Gigi, we are ready to work out. So we are just gonna get started. We've done our warm up. We are now getting into, it's 150 squats, air squats, 100 sit-ups and 75 press-ups for time. So let's get into it. Oh my god, that took far too long. I think it took so long because my press-ups are still pretty weak and 75 is a lot of volume for me. I'm gonna go have dinner now and then I'm gonna catch up with this vlog in the morning, show you my breakfast, show you my morning mobility routine and talk you through kind of how I'm still trying to eat as healthy as possible because obviously I'm, you know, eating a fully plant-based diet, so let's go and have some dinner. So for my dinner this evening, I'm having this thing called ribollita. It's basically kind of like a soup that has loads of amazing vegetables in it, like green cabbage and tomatoes, carrots and potatoes, and then also some butter beans. And it's got loads of delicious herbs like rosemary as well. So I'm just having lots of it with some nutritional yeast on top. And then of course, I'm gonna have a little rye bread slice toasted as well. This is honestly one of my favorite meals. It's super simple and can be made with all your kind of basic things that you have in your cupboard and your fridge. So that's all I'm gonna have for dinner. I wasn't actually that hungry this evening. I don't know why. I think my appetite's gone a little bit because of what's going on right now. But yeah, that's all I'm eating. See you in the morning. So we are starting this morning off with a cup of coffee, as I do most mornings. And then while my coffee is brewing, I'm basically setting up my laptop so that I can do my morning mobility routine. And this is something I've been getting into now that I'm kind of self-isolating. Ravi, are we going to do some mobility? Yeah? Are you going to watch? You don't know what I'm saying, do you? We've been following this routine by some guy called Tom Merrick on YouTube. I really love his stuff. He really knows what he's talking about and he guides you through some really interesting routines. I'm trying my best to stay motivated to do exercise, but sometimes it really is a little bit difficult. But luckily for me, mobility has been something that I've always really enjoyed, and I thought it's time to take that time to learn how to do it properly, just practice every day and try and get my splits as well by the end of this isolation period.
So after this last press, we're just going to try and twist our around a little bit more. What we're going to try and do by doing is kind of push that heel back behind us, but keep the hips sunk down. We're not going to come all the way up. We're going to try and stay as low as possible. Into the legs, so we can press the legs down. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to try and lift the legs up into our elbows.
Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a day in the life kind of video because last night, this video is going out the day that I'm recording this, so it's Tuesday the 24th. Last night our Prime Minister basically said that we're now on full lockdown because people have not been adhering to the rules. I mean, loads of people went to the beach this weekend. You're only allowed to leave the house once a day to go like for a walk or exercise or whatever, but I'm just gonna practice extra caution. So I did my mobility this morning that you saw, and I'm now going to basically write a schedule for the day. I only allow like 5 to 10 minutes to do that because it doesn't take very long. I do it on my calendar. I'm gonna put in things like reading, emails, planning, like all my work that I have to do, then also scheduling the walk because I'm allowed to go out once a day, as I said, but not too far away. And then I'm gonna schedule in my afternoon workout, kind of downtime, etc. And then when I finish for the day, I need a schedule, otherwise I just can't get anything done. And especially it's so hard to motivate myself at the moment to do anything. So it's really important for me personally to write a schedule so I get at least something done. So I'm going to do that now. And the book that I'm currently reading is Girl, Woman, Other, although I will say I haven't even started it yet because when I'm a bit stressed or anxious about things, then I find it quite hard to read. So I'm going to try and start this today, find a way to get into it so that I can have a little bit of escapism, which will be quite nice. But yeah, I'm going to show you everything that I'm eating today. I'm going to be showing you all my workouts. I think I showed you last night's workout, this morning's mobility. I'm also doing my splits training. If you don't know, I go to the gym usually like 5 times a week. So coming and doing it at home, for me it's really hard to motivate myself, so I'm just trying to do things that I actually enjoy. So I really enjoy mobility, and I've always wanted to get the splits, so because that involves a lot of mobility, it's quite fun to be able to do. But I'm going to be doing at-home workouts. I was thinking of doing Chloe Ting's 2-week shred, which is so different from the training I usually do, because I usually do CrossFit and like really high intensity kind of HIIT Metcon training. But it could be fun, and it's always good to do a challenge to get you motivated and keep you on track. I use an app for the splits, a free app, I can't remember what it's called, but that kind of keeps you accountable, which is really nice as well. But for now, I'm just going to sort out my work and then I will show you breakfast. I think it's about 9 o'clock right now. I'm not hungry, I don't really get hungry. I usually just have a coffee in the morning and then wait for my body to tell me that I'm hungry. And then I will have breakfast / lunch.
Child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
We are going to go out for a dog walk now because we're allowed to take the dog out and go out for once. Just not feeling very motivated to do anything. But hopefully we'll feel rejuvenated after going for our one walk of the day. Ralphie? Ralphie should go for a walk.
I know you've done your part, it's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up, just hold on tight. It'll be alright. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
Yeah. Hey guys, so just got back from our walk. I've done about 9,500 steps today, which is obviously pretty amazing, but I'm not gonna obviously not adhere to the rules. So I've been out once today, so I can't go out again. But I'm just gonna walk around the house. I mean, I'm at my parents' house, so I'm very lucky that I have a lot more space than if I was at home. And I'm only here because the rules changed yesterday and it would be irresponsible to go back to London now. And this is day 12 of quarantine. So I have been self-isolating for almost 2 weeks now because I didn't want to endanger anybody else. And also our NHS are getting to a point of being overrun, so I don't want to add to that. I'm just not feeling very motivated today, and I think that's okay. I think if any of you guys are struggling a little bit with motivation, I think sometimes, especially at a time like this, it's okay to just do nothing or chill if you possibly can. I know a lot of us are working from home and it can be hard to motivate yourselves, but a couple of things that me and my friends are doing, like tomorrow morning, we're going to Skype my friend Poppy and she's going to do our mobility routine with us. This evening we're going to be using that app House Party with some of the other people who we'd usually go to the gym with and do today's WOD with them that we would usually do at our gym. Our gym have made all of, I think I said this before last night maybe, our gym have put all of their workouts online and they've made them sort of suitable for your home, which is really cool. So we're going to be doing that later and I'm going to show you guys, but for now I think I'm just going to make some coffee, sit down and have a break, and then if I can motivate myself I'm going to do some more work. But in a time like this I think it's really important to take care of yourself and to take care of your mental health. So if you guys really are stressed, definitely speak to someone or just have a bit of a break, but please just stay at home. Okay, we are going to do day 2. It's going to be 10 rounds for time, 10 burpees and 10 hollow rocks. Yeah, I'm ready, I'm coming. We just finished 10 rounds, 10 hollow rocks, 10 burpees. It was actually so hard. I thought I was getting a lot fitter, but I think just having a few breaks makes a big difference. So at least it was short and sharp. It took me 12 minutes, which is slower than everyone else. If you saw, we went on the app House Party, which I've been loving recently, and we got 6 other people from our gym to do the WOD with us, which was really fun. I would highly recommend working out with other people like that. But that is it. I'm going to end the vlog here because I've shown you 2 workouts and my mobility routine, but I'm going to do more vlogs like this. But let me know in the comments below if you want to see more videos like this, and Thank you so much for watching. Remember to give it a like if you liked it because it really supports my channel. Have a lovely evening, guys.